shoot from 15, 10, and 5 yards out.
Bro, say who shoot the worst, gotta buy lunch after. Right here. Come on, nigga. Come on, shot it, done it, nigga. These niggas lost, though. This shit been crazy out here, bro. Yo, YouTube, it's John M Life back on another video. We got the spacers today. We finna put them shits on the comp right now. From the front, I got like 13s, and the back I'm putting on 15s. We finna see how this shit finna come out. Got my boy Driz here with me. You know what I mean? We finna bang this shit out real quick, you heard? We had to pull up at a different spot because we didn't have all the tools. You know what I mean? Right now we in the parking lot doing this shit. Crazy. Got this bitch right now. What the fuck is that, bro? I don't know what the fuck is that. You
auto seals lubrication.
You know what you're doing, gang? Alright, man. We just got off the view though. I'm gonna put that shit on and get back to y'all, boy. I had to tackle this shit off camera, but this is how this shit came out. Oh man, I don't know if y'all can tell, but like that shit threw up fire, bro. So the backside, tell by the angle, that shit fire. Definitely make the fake look better, not gonna lie. Show out the other side. Yeah. We did that shit in the whole parking lot and shit, but y'all boys stay tuned because we got a lot of shit going on today. We might hit the gun range and just drive around, probably catch some people on the highway and shit, nigga. Y'all already know our team badness do it. We turning up, nigga. Every time we outside, nigga. Everything dead. And not play around. You hear me? But yeah, bro. That shit. Let's stay tuned, right?
A few moments later.
Yo, boys, we at a gas station. You know how the teams fit real quick. But we at a gas station. We got the V's out. Got a comp here. Got a 540 right here.
73 for your tank up here? Your shit was on empty.
Yeah, my shit was on like 30.
That's basically empty.
That's crazy. Yo, introduce yourself, gang.
Yo. Nah, niggas already know what the fuck going on. Q540. We out here with the M340, 540, and the black piece. Niggas about to go get the shotty, head to the gun range.
Yes, sir. Yo, Driz. What you got to say, nigga? What you got to say, bro? Gay! Yeah, I'm keeping that in the video. He been fruity too much, but it's how to be sitting. You heard? That nigga fuck up his front lip, but we still good. We still good. Team badness, you hear? We outside, bro. Yo, boys, just put it to RTSP, bro. We finna go in this bitch right now. You know, we just parked up and shit. The boys got this shit and shit. I'm gonna walk in this bitch right now, you heard? Let's get it.
We just gotta do
the waiver?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. Yeah, bro. My camera about to die cause that shit blinking. Hopefully not. But finna get to work right now. I've been waiting to come back, bro. Since the last time, I've been waiting to come back, bro. I'm finna put in that work right now. Y'all finna see. Y'all finna see. So what we doing, bro? What's the challenge?
Alright, we're gonna shoot from 15, 10, and 5 yards out, and 7 too. But yeah, we're gonna see who got it, cause that's the CCW test. So I'm gonna see what these niggas fuck on.
Bro, say who shoot the worst, gotta buy lunch after, bro. I think it would be this guy. Like, I'm not gonna lie. By the last time, yeah, that shit was bad for him.
And motherfuckers gotta shoot the shotty too. Motherfuckers was ducking smoke.
Nah, I'm gonna shoot that shit today,
was
bro.
ducking right with the shotty.
Bro.
Yeah, what you think?
I came to the Ranger, man, long. That's why I was like,
this motherfucker talking about some hell no.
He a scary cat, bro. But for no reason.
Shooting warm-ups before the contest starts.
12, go.
Backed it up?
Yeah. Ready? Alright, shooter ready. Aim. Fire. Alright, put it at 5.
It's on 10, it's on 10.
You switch it just now?
Yeah.
Keep running that target, or you want to switch the target?
I just want to do several.
But nah, I literally was only aiming for head taps, bro.
Head taps.
Oh wait, I forgot I got the extended. So let me.
How I do with that one?
This real quick and see.
How I do with that one just now?
You missed a couple.
You was accurate on the head.
Yeah.
I was what?
You was accurate, but you missed a few.
Let me see what you're talking
I was
about.
aiming straight for head.
Just the Gen 6. You see. Hopefully this mag don't. Right, smooth. Wait, look at this. Look in here.
Put that container in. Then you put that in there. Oh wow.
That would have been bad.
It's in there. Oh, it's in the Tell the gun. Oh. You want to see the rifle?
Somebody the shawty, they're gonna have a bad day. They're gonna have a bad day, I'm telling you. You wanna go handle that thing, bro? Shoot 2? There's 2 left in. Yeah, I shot 3. That's 2 in here. There's 4 in there. See, there's somebody here, bro. It's over. Back to back. You ready to shoot? Yeah. Get your stance right. Feel comfortable. Brace forward. Rack it back.
Contest time, loser buys lunch. Let's get active.
Aim. Fire. Alright, misses 2, 4, 5 misses. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna count this as a miss, bro.
No. Don't do
Jai, you counting that as a miss or what?
Nah.
You ain't stopping
it's
nobody,
more
bro.
than on it,
That's
though.
a graze.
That was a graze. That's kind of.
Alright, take
Hit, bro. bro.
It's a hit. All right,
hit.
fuck it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 misses.
What next?
My boy Jaja.
That gotta be more than 5 misses.
It's not.
5 misses you.
Let's see. Aim. Ready. Fire. Fire when ready. Fire. So you got 1 miss. Just had 5 on the outside, and now it's 6. So
I was flooding.
Alright, now it's up to me. I can't get more than 1. Ready?
The fuse already? Six. But Ja missed this one, so that's 6.
And together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we don't count. We don't count it the
This one
grades.
you don't count, yeah.
We don't count it the grades. Don't count this. All right, boys. We just came out of the range. You know what I mean? We had some like contests and shit. You know, John lose shit. Y'all won that bitch. You know what I mean? Y'all was the best shooter out of all 3. You know what I mean? Top shotter, nigga. I tell y'all niggas, bro, stop fucking with me, gang. I'm really that nigga, bro. Like, come on now. These niggas ain't ready for Ja yet, nigga. Come on. The beat's right here. Come on, nigga. You know, top shot of Dun Dada, nigga. These niggas lost, though. These niggas lost, though. I was the best shooter. Come on now. I was the best shooter in this shit, nigga. Fast forward, we at a car meet right now. Shit getting active around this shit. Look at this shit right now. That shit right now. We outside, boy. Yo, what's up with these niggas with no doors?
Let's go.
Niggas wildin'.
You know they know each other.
Yeah. Gonna do a quick walk around and shit. Look at the cars that's here. Let's record, you heard? Oh, that's
Good game.
no, man. Oh, that shit hard. I'm not gonna lie, that Infinity hard. I don't know. That shit tough. That shit, I don't know.
My shit looking good over there, you heard?
Not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, Corey, your shit look tough. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's just like
That's why
the culmination just go crazy.
When I get the bumper, that's why I was debating whether I want to switch the lights. Cause I fucking hate the lights, bro.
Nah, don't switch the lights. What switching the lights for? Yo, look at that shit. Like,
Like that shit just stand out. Like that shit coming.
I'm not gonna lie, that shit stand out. The rest stand out with the combination you got.
And then imagine just the matte black.
But yeah, boys. Still walking around, seeing what's out here. Seeing hella Infinities though.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm not trying to get blocked in though. If this shit looking like that, I'm gonna move my car and like come out here.
Yeah, but over here I got no space for real. Let's go over here. You see packing this one up right here, the Z.
Definitely backing
This shit look nice, I'm not gonna lie.
Yo, bro. How much you put this? Four?
He said stock under the hood. That shit fire.
This shit fire. I don't care. You say you'll get with it? This shit hard.
Said I gonna do it.
Not my main car though. See, bro? Guess what? I did say I was packing that shit up. I did say that.
Did say that.
What you say? Back, bro. Tell me.
He's coming through. Okay.
You got bikes on top of this shit.
I'm be like, yo, I'm still packing up. You word? Oh, wow. Got the G80, 2 G80s.
This color top right now.
Not gonna lie,
Oh, get in your shit. Get in your shit.
that shit hard.
Mar, get in your shit. Y'all want free up? Since somebody get free up? Yeah, let's bring on. My boy Rob. No, nothing. We going to do something else. He said 2 pack. There ain't no parking or nothing. We just going to do our own.
They said they about to do their own thing. You want to pull out with them? Shit getting crazy out here, bro.
Should've knew I was coming, just in the young and I knew I'd give me some money. Know I turn nothing to something. I look at your cousin, the youngest is me and running. I promise to keep it 100, keep it 100. You see me